again, and it is our fourth episode. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I don't know about you. We're building something here. We're building something very monumental, yeah. So let me fix myself. Hey, y'all. My name is Mpokwarai, and you're welcome to the exciting show, another exciting show of the show. And this show, you better show up, because I'm gonna show what you've never seen before, or I'm gonna show you what has never been shown before. Let me stop being crazy. Yeah, what's up? It's your boy Mpokwarai, and the name of the show is Masters of Creation. And basically today we're going to discuss the man who created the air conditioner. Did you know that the air conditioner was created by a black man? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Nah, I bet you didn't. Okay. Basically today we're going to discuss the man called Frederick Jones. Yes, sir. The other one was John Frederick Pickering. On the last episode, today it's Frederick Jones. Frederick to another Frederick. Okay, basically Frederick Jones is him who created or invented the air conditioner. For those who don't know who is Frederick Jones, he is a black man from the United States, and he was born during the year 1893 on the 17th of May, and he died during the year 1961 on the 21st of February. Yeah, man, this guy, like, he's an inventor, bro. Like, this guy is just one of those examples that shows what they are. We black people, we could do anything. Here comes a black man who's born when? In the 1900s, and he creates what? He creates something that sort of manipulates the weather conditions, and yeah, no one has never even thought of that, man. Basically, that was genius, considering the fact that Umjita created this thing immediately after they had just came out from physical slavery in America. Not that we are free now. Now we captured mentally, but yeah, they created that thing and it was dope. So basically, everyone, please enjoy the show. Today we're talking about the man Frederick Jones, the man who created the air conditioner. Yeah, man, that guy's dope, bruh. In fact, I feel like right now it's hot in here. Although it's winter, I feel like it's hot in here. Why? Because I got an air conditioner created by what? The black man Frederick Jones. Yeah. Enjoy the documentary about who? The black inventor, coming from me, the presenter of Masters of Invention. Nowadays, you cannot go to any public and private offices without seeing an air conditioner. But what many people do not know is that the air conditioner was created by a black man. Yep, I said it. The air conditioner was created by a black man from the United States named Frederick Jones. Frederick was born on the 17th of May, 1893. Moreover, he was born in the state of Cincinnati, Ohio. Okay, as we continue, his mother was a black mother, and his father was white father. As he grew up, man, Frederick Mckinly Jones was a car mechanic racer. Yeah, yep, I said it. That's who he was, man. And during World War II, Frederick was a sergeant and electrician for the French military. He even wired his entire camp with electricity, telephoning, and telegraphy. When he moved to Harlock, a small town of Harlock in Minnesota, Frederick built the transmitter for the town's radio station. And man, that was monumental. That was cool, man. Like, yeah, this guy, he was really an inventor, because everywhere he was going, he was building something. Okay, moving on. Around the 1940s, after Jones invented the air conditioner, Frederick started his own company called US Thermal Control Company, and this company was created to produce and sell portable air conditioners and refrigeration system that could be sold in trucks, trains, boats, and ships. Okay, the air-conditioned transport technology sort of revolutionized worldwide food culture by introducing the frozen food industry. Frederick Mckinly Jones later died in 1961 from lung cancer. Overall, Frederick Jones was a technological revolutionary because his work pioneered the distribution of frozen food around the world. Frederick Jones' invention is very important because air conditioners are used in people's homes, inside transports, inside private and public facilities. Yeah, ne? Frederick Jones was a real revolutionary, man. Okay, today we discussed the life of the inventor of air conditioner. Otherwise, stay productive. Rekau fela.